Welcome to the world of mega construction, where power meets precision, and massive machines shape the future of our cities. Today, we take you behind the scenes of a breathtaking bridge construction project powered by some of the world's largest cranes and heavy equipment. High above the construction site, a powerful crane lifts a massive iron segment, a crucial piece of the bridge puzzle. With precision and strength, it carries the heavy load through the air, slowly guiding it into position. Stamped with designations like VGT 100 and TC 400 CR24, these parts represent high-grade, load-bearing steel designed for extreme stress and weight. Every label tells a story of strength, durability, and cutting-edge construction. One by one, each giant iron segment is lifted into the sky, slowly but steadily moved into place. With every precise attachment, the bridge begins to take shape. These four colossal pieces lock together like a giant steel puzzle, forming the foundation of a structure that will soon carry thousands across. Each segment is more than just a block of metal, it's a feat of precision engineering. This is where engineering meets muscle, a moment where steel, skill, and technology come together to shape the future. One side of the bridge is fully complete, a 12.40-meter stretch of solid engineering. On the other side, construction pushes forward toward 15.90 meters, where workers lay down cement, sealing the structure layer by layer. It's a clear view of progress in motion, from steel frames to smooth concrete, building strength one section at a time. The bridge now stands nearly complete, its surface sealed with solid concrete, while strong steel covers and frames hold everything in place. Beneath, towering steel pillars support the entire weight, built to withstand time, traffic, and nature's force. It's not just a bridge, it's a blend of strength and smart design, where every beam and slab has a purpose. Now, with the foundation in place, the pre-built bridge sections are carefully laid down, one by one. Each piece fits with engineered perfection, locking into the iron road structure like chapters in a story of progress. This is where planning meets execution, a living example of how modern technology transforms raw materials into critical infrastructure. On the ground, skilled workers prepare the final piece. They carefully secure the crane's ropes to the fully assembled bridge section, double-checking every knot and hook, because here, precision isn't just important, it's critical. Slowly, the crane lifts the massive structure into the air. Hundreds of tons of steel suspended with perfect balance, rising above the site like a floating giant. As it hovers into position, engineers and crew on the ground make the final adjustments, inch by inch, guiding it into its permanent place. And just like that, it's done. What began as scattered parts of raw iron and machinery is now a complete bridge, ready to stand the test of time. A symbol of human ingenuity, teamwork, and engineering mastery. This is not just construction, this is transformation.